Today we're going to install an SSL certificate, arguably one of the very first steps that you should take once your web hosting is set up. For many reasons, it is critical to include an SSL certificate with your website because it encrypts the data between what you are hosting and what your visitors engage with. And you can see the HTTPS and the address bar. You'll notice I'm now using example.com here, another placeholder to illustrate how your domain will appear during the SSL certificate installation process. You're going to see many options here at the very top for creating SSL certificates. For the sake of simplicity, we're only going to focus on Acme here. We're going to click on this circle above where it says Get Automatic Certificate from Acme Provider. Here, Acme refers to Automated Certificate Management Environment. When we select this option, we should see the Let's Encrypt option already selected by default. In fact, all the information should already be set up. Again, we're ignoring the other options for Acme Provider, the key size, and certification type, because the defaults are the best recommended settings. The common name is your domain name. Ensure that it's written simply as example.com or whatever your domain name is. Do not type www in this field. Now, scrolling down, we will see the certificate entries. You will see several subdomain options listed, such as ftp.example.com for FTP connections and mail.example.com for your email service if your hosting a package allows for such. Choosing the appropriate entries ensures that each subdomain is securely encrypted. For example, you might want to encrypt your FTP connections, protecting login credentials and sensitive information during file transfers. But if managing multiple subdomains feels like too much work, consider using a Wildcard SSL certificate. The Wildcard SSL certificate secures your main domain and all of its subdomains under one certificate. And if you add subdomains in the future, it's important to revisit this SSL tool in your DirectAdmin control panel so that these subdomains are secured as well. To finish, click on the green Save button. Now, I used example.com here because example.com is not pointing at our hosting servers. So setting up the SSL certificate will not work unless the domain is already pointing at our servers. I'm going to go back to the example.trustio.com control panel to show you a quick recap. All I did was go to the SSL Certificates tool, select the Acme option, review everything, yep, looks good, and click on the green Save button. Now you can complete this on your mobile phone as well. Finally, let's look at the Force SSL certificate with HTTPS redirect. This setting ensures that all traffic to your website is secured by automatically redirecting visitors from any HTTP version of your website to a secure HTTPS version. This ensures complete SSL protection and that every visitor to your website sees your SSL certificate. And even though SSL certificates need regular renewal, DirectAdmin and Let's Encrypt handles this automatically behind the scenes. So you really only have to do this once, unless you add subdomains or decide to switch to a wildcard certificate for easier management. The SSL certificate installation screen looks daunting at first with technical language, but you can see how very or tray easy it is. It's so easy, this video could have been 3 seconds long, but I hope you found all the information I shared helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials as we explore more features and functionalities within DirectAdmin.